Hi, today I am gonna load another video repairing the Audi 2 liter to 2.7 liter 2007 to 2012. Is a common problem that ECU, like the part number is on there, OAW927156K, and this type of ECUs, like only just the alphabetic is named, like here is H, some places is like K, some ECU have D, like that. So we can repair all the if the shape is like that, we can repair that ECU. And is the common problem P0706 Transmission Range Sensor, and the cause of that error code when the car is hot, then start problem is like car is going into the limp mode and the car not just stucking in a gears, and you can feel is no power. And when is the car is cold, is perfect, you can drive 10 to 15 miles. And this is the common problems of these ECUs from 2007 to 2009, and the Audi A6 is 2011 to 2014. So if you bring the car to us, we can repair your car. We do complete job, take it out, repair it, gearbox oil change, adaptation, torque setting. Or if you want to send the ECU post in the postage, and then we can send it back next day to you. So you can contact with us like on this number 07402536 You can contact anytime and just tell us and book it and give me the 1 day notice, and you can come and we'll do the job. We are in near Heathrow, from 3 to 4 miles in Hounslow. So you can come and we can fix your car. It's only just car gonna be ready 4 to 5 hours. You can look, and the other video is on the YouTube's, and subscribe us. Thank you. Bye.